Hey guys, what's going on? Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. We did a count. These are torpedo pots, guys. These are self-growing planters. I don't ever have to go out and garden anymore because these planters grow my food for me. And this one planter is growing about in 20 inches, about 150 peppers. This is an amazing growing system. I don't water, I don't feed, I don't do anything that we've been told to do with our plants. The only thing I do is supplement with organic supplement. But I do nothing else. And I get great food 100% of the time. These torpedo pots feed my family throughout the year. I don't have to go to the supermarket to buy food because my food is here. I grow when I want it, where I want it, how I want it. And right now we're growing from 2,000 to 3,000 peppers. And I came up to harvest some of my jalapeno peppers. Jalapeno? No, habanero peppers, excuse me. So I came out to harvest some of our habanero peppers and they're delicious. They are absolutely delicious. So one planter has the ability to do 150 of these habaneros and we're going to start picking them now. Now, it's been bouncing cold, so a lot of the stuff that you have in the ground is probably dying and dead and gone. You can't find any dead in my growing system here. Torpedo pot grows your food 100% of the time. I don't know if you quite understand when I say 100% of the time. With torpedo pot, these self-growing systems, you simply walk up to the planter, drop your seeds in, set your settings on a timer, and you literally just walk away. You change the timer based upon the growth stages. We supplement once a week or once every twice, depending upon what you're growing with a food. We like to be on the safe side, do it once every 10 days, once a week. But that's it. I do nothing else. I don't have the problems that you have in the ground. I set it, and I literally just walk away. Now, there's no way I'm going to care for thousands of plants. So it's not my objective. My objective is to have a growing system where that you can go on vacations, enjoy yourself, and come back and find your food ready, just like you do in the kitchen when you put your food in the oven. You find it ready when you are willing and able to eat. So I'm going to start picking some of these things here. Always go with safety first, okay? So, I'm going to put on my knee pads. And I'm going to get me a nice pair of shears. Always get a good pair of shears. But be careful because you end up cutting yourself if you don't know what you're doing. But good shears, you can never go without. All right, so now I'm going to start my cutting here. Let me bring some to you so you can take a look at it. Oh God, these are huge. Now, I don't have to be careful about which fruit I'm picking because all of my fruit, no matter what it is perfect. These are torpedo pots. These are self-growing planters. All you do is put your seeds in, you put your plants in, and they grow your food for you. You never have to grow your food again in your life. And look how perfect that is. I love the food that comes from the torpedo pot because it's perfect food. You'll never, ever have a problem with any food again in your life if you get a torpedo pot. These systems work. They grow my food for me. All of my fruit look like this, okay? All of them look like that. There's no defects in any of my plants or any of my fruit. And we don't have to use fertilizers to make that happen. Our planters are designed to stimulate the biotic environment in that soil to generate your food. Trust that these planters will grow your food. We supplement once a week, but otherwise they do a fantastic job on their own. Torpedo pot is no joke. It's designed to literally grow your food. Perfect food all of the time. No imperfections at all. And you deserve this. You deserve perfect food all of the time. Not some of the time. You deserve it all of the time. Get yours. Let's go pick some more. See what we got in here. I'm taking the big ones and the mid-sized ones off. And I'll leave the rest to grow on its own. Okay. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. That is absolutely stunning. Isn't that beautiful? The colors have changed, guys. That's amazing. I love that. I love that. And this is so powerful. You don't have to have... Now, if I wanted to, I could grow strictly peppers, thousands of these, and eat nothing but pure food for the rest of my life. Or I can mix this with my tomatoes. This year, in these torpedo pots you see behind me, we grew over, 1,400 tomatoes. We grew 15,000 pea pods, all in 40 feet. Now we're growing thousands of peppers. Oh my gosh, I can smell it. It smells so good. Torpedo pot grows your food for you. You don't have to grow your food anymore. Let's go pick some more. A lot more. I'll show you it all. Give me a minute. Almost done. Yeah, I had to save a couple for myself. But I want to show you the food that comes from your torpedo pot. Oops, look at this one. Guys, these are torpedo pots. These are self-growing planters. You could yield up to 150 high Bernero peppers from this one planter. Fully automated. You never water your plants again. It grows your food for you with no human intervention. And look at the food that is growing. Isn't that amazing? That is absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Wow. Not one imperfection. Nothing's wrong with these at all. It's perfect food. Absolutely perfect food. Absolutely perfect. Who can beat that? Torpedo pot grows your food for you. All you do is drop your seeds and your plants in those planters behind me, and you'll be able to eat like you've never seen before. This is just the beginning. Hadn't even started yet, guys. And they're delicious. You'll appreciate what you can eat with your torpedo pot. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. I just want to show you how beautiful life can be when you're growing your own food. Now, in all honesty, I don't need all of these to enjoy a good meal. Really, all I need is one, because they are pretty hot, tasty, and delicious. I brought a couple of them in the other day, habaneros, I think the cayenne, and they were so good. I'm going to do a video on the cayenne, which we'll bring up lately, next. But these peppers, like nothing I've ever seen before in my life. Darryl Addison, torpedopot.com, and this is a priceless moment where you're getting a crop that goes through its full life expectancy. the foundation, which is the soil, is so fertile and so good that the plants can endure the seasons a little bit more better. They're malleable in terms of being able to endure the seasons and to make the necessary changes to endure. That's why this is such a great growing solution. You don't have to come out and hose when you know it's half cold out and you're spraying water on top of the leaves of your plants, which should be illegal. Nobody should spray water on top of their plants. If you won't drink from it, why would you give it to your plants anyhow? Torpedopot changes that. We create food that's designed and it has its own genetic inheritance. It has its own following. This is beautiful food that you won't find anywhere like this in the world. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. Talk to you guys later. All right, let me go pick you some more. Let me see if there's any more of these I can pick for you guys. I don't know. Let's do a count and find how many are here. Okay, you guys want to do a count? Okay, let's try it. I'm not very good at this, so I hope you can bear with me. Let's see if I can turn this over. Let's try this. Okay, let's do this together. Keep each other honest, right? Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Did I get that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm gonna cheat myself. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, come on, 21, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. I picked 25 so far, so I expect a lot more. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.